Do you want to make your backyard look great, but you don't have a lot of money? If you're like a lot of people, you don't want to hire a whole landscaping firm to redo your backyard. And if you have a little bit of interest in DIY, then some of these ideas will be perfect for you. So in this video, we'll cover cheap landscaping ideas for your backyard. So let's dive in. Number one is consider planting shrubs. Just plant some shrubs around your home for a quick and easy landscaping idea. Shrubs are one of the easiest ways to improve your appearance of your backyard because they add color, you get more texture, height. You can also do low growing ground cover. You can also include evergreens that will add a year-round color appeal. Number two are drought tolerant plants. So if you're looking for a way to save money on your water bill, then the drought tolerant plants are a great choice. Water resistant plants that require minimal amounts of water, if any, once they've established themselves in a new home. They're also a great way for those living in areas where you can't support grass or in locations where water shortage is common. Number three, consider adding a window box to your home. So these are cheap landscaping updates that you can use them to create a pop of color. You can add greenery without committing to a large, expensive upkeep of all your outdoor plants. And then if you get sick of the box design, you just remove it and reattach it when you want to change things up. Next, you want to consider building a path. One of the cheapest ways to improve your backyard is to simply add some outdoor paths. It's easy to do yourself with some basic materials from home improvement store, or you can find stone or pebbles. Small decking will create an instant focal point for your yard and give you lots of landscaping to choose from. Next, consider changing the overall focal point of your yard. So if your yard is full of grass, then maybe you want to add something like a fountain or a rustic fire pit as the main focal point instead. This will give you a lot of options for landscaping around it. Next to consider is adding hardscaping for instant appeal. You can use large stone planters, outdoor furniture with built-in planters. Hardscaping can mean so many things, including a deck, pergola, covered porch area, and more. So think about some ways that you can add that to your backyard. One of our favorite hardscaping ideas is to build a fire pit. If you've got an open backyard, just put a fire pit in the back as the main focal area. This is perfect for gathering space for friends and family. You can save a lot of money by doing it yourself. And if you want to see that video, watch this video next on how to build a fire pit in your backyard. And I'll see you over there.